Hello and welcome from Budapest. This is Hungary Reports from Public Media M1, bringing you the latest news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin in English. I'm Árpád Szőci. Thanks for joining us. Hungary's healthcare system is coping. There are enough hospital beds, ventilators, and doctors. That's what a professor at the University of Pécs Medical School told Public Media's Kossuth Radio. Dr. Lajos Kollár said that based on the general trend, he doesn't see it necessary for Hungary to impose more restrictions. However, for that to remain so, people must continue wearing face masks and maintaining social distancing. Slovenia and, for the time being, Hungary belong to those countries who have handled the pandemic better than most. Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orbán talked about that during his visit to Slovenia. The PM pointed out that he often consults with his Slovenian counterpart about the COVID-19 situation and that they can learn a lot from each other. Orbán added that they'll beat the pandemic when they have a vaccine, but that will take time. And during his trip, the Hungarian leader also said that the value of Central Europe is on the rise, with the focus of growth in the European Union shifting to the east. Orbán made his remarks in Kidričevo, Slovenia, where he and Slovenian PM Janez Janša laid the foundation stone for the construction of the joint Čirkovce-Pince power line. The Hungarian leader also mentioned that gas in Hungary has become the cheapest in Europe over the past decade, with electricity now the second cheapest. Starting midnight, Hungarians traveling to Romania no longer have to go into a 14-day quarantine period there. However, the reverse is not true. Travel restrictions for Romanians and Hungarians leaving Romania and going to Hungary remain in place. That means that those citizens must go into quarantine in Hungary. Exempted are only those who have tested negative twice for coronavirus over a 48-hour period during the past 5 days. The country will hold fewer commemoration programs on October 23rd. That is an annual national holiday in Hungary that honors the Hungarian Revolution against the Soviet Union, which started on that day back in 1956. The government's information center announced that the national flag will be hoisted with military honors in a ceremony in front of the Parliament building. The other event will be the presentation of Hungarian state awards. Both will have limited attendance. The center also asks other state organizations and municipalities to pay attention to these considerations and that people should generally avoid mass events. And that's all for now from Hungary Reports. But don't forget, we're back live every night after the 11 p.m. Hungarian language news, and you can also watch us in repeats and online. Please stay tuned if you can. We also have news programs in German, Russian, and Chinese. And please wear a face mask and keep a safe distance from others, especially indoors. Thanks very much for watching, and minden jót!